What's going on, knuckleheads? Talk about motorcycle rallies again. In the last video, we did January, February, March, and April. We're going to move on to May. I tried doing May and June together, but it was just going to be way too long. We're just going to set the cruise at the speed limit. We never set above the speed limit, right? Right? Because that would be illegal. This is going to be a pain in my ass. It's just cool enough that I need a glove. Alright. Ah, damn it. Yep, that is not going to be happy. To start off, May, you have Biker Beach Bash weekend in Virginia Beach, Virginia. That is going to be May 1st through the 3rd. I've already actually did my homework for a few months, and I could not find a video on this rally. Up next, in Kingman, Arizona, you have Thunder Road Bikefest. That is going to be May 7th through the 9th. Well, and I did not find another video on that. Up next, in Osage Beach, Missouri, you have Ozark Rides Rally. This, searching for it, was overshadowed by Ozark Bike Fest, stuff like that, so it didn't want to pull up a video on YouTube either. Then, you have Myrtle Beach Bike Week Spring Rally in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. This is going to be May 8th through the 17th. This is one that I would definitely like to make it to at some point. It's going to be a while. Then, oh, there's a video somewhere. Then you have Hog Valley Bike Rally. I have several friends that go to this. My friends from Hog Rock and Kentucky Bike Rally and those types of rallies. And I want to go. A little smaller, but my friends always have a good time. I can't see how it would be a bad time, so we're going to make an attempt to go at some point. Last year was the first ever Grafton Bike Week. It is in Grafton, Illinois. I plan on going back to this one. It was a pretty good time. That is going to be... Oh. If I didn't tell you the dates for Hog Valley, it is May 11th through the 16th. Grafton is going to be May 12th through the 17th. Yeah. I'm going to try and put some of my video clips down here for Grafton. Then, same weekend as Grafton and Hog Valley, you have TMMR, Tennessee Music and Motorcycle Revival. I would like to go to this one. It's just on the expensive side of weekend-long rallies. That is going to be May 14th to the 17th. Then you have the Crater Rally in Somerville, Texas. That is going to be May 14th to the 17th. There's a lot of shit that stacks up in May and June and July. Then, staying in Texas, you have the Texas Rattlesnake Rally in Walnut Springs, Texas. This is not to be confused with the Texas Rattlesnake Roundup, which is actually rounding up rattlesnakes and doing stupid stuff. Doesn't look like a very good time to me. Don't mind snakes as long as they're not trying to kill me. And we slide on over to New Mexico. Where do we go? To Revive the Ride. Red River, New Mexico. That is going to be May 21st through the 25th. It's apparently the largest Veterans Appreciation Rally in the country, maybe the world, I can't remember. Then you have Redneck Revival in Conesville, Iowa. I think this actually happens twice a year. That is going to be May 21st through the 24th again. I did not find a video on this that I wanted to put. Then you have the Pennsylvania Roundhouse Rally. This actually happens a few times a year. I can't remember, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. Somewhere between 1 and 12. I could not find any videos on it. It is going to be hosted May 21st to the 23rd. Now we have the Run-A-Mucca Motorcycle and Music Festival. That is going to be in Winnemucca, Nevada. That is going to be, god damn it. And then you have another rally that I've been to, only once though, and I want to go back, is the Mid-America Freedom Rally in Waynesville, Missouri. That is going to be May 22nd through the 25th. Memorial Day weekend. They do a big thing for veterans at the end on Sunday night, because this lasts until Monday morning because it's Memorial Day weekend. Now we have Americade in Lake George, New York. This looks like a pretty good time. I don't intend to go in the next 5 years. I've got other rallies I'd like to attend before that. That is in Lake George, New York, if I didn't say that. That is May 27th through the 30th. Oh, good. Truck finally turned off. We can take her back down a little bit. Then you have Ohio Bike Week in Sandusky, Ohio. That is going to be May 27th through the 31st. Again, that's 5 days, not a whole week, in my opinion. I did find videos on that. Then you have the Boone Bike Rally in Boone, North Carolina. That is going to be May 29th through the 30th. Again, one I haven't been to, video here. I'm going to try and put the links to all the videos that I use down in the description, so you all can go check those out. That is going to do it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I upload. See you guys in the next one.